Hello, and welcome to another update video about XRP. A lot of people asked me if I could cover XRP again, and I always say, nothing happened, but obviously it's one of the, let's say, larger market cap coins, so it deserves a position on this channel as well. But it's just not very exciting, it's just not very exciting. But yeah, I think it's worth doing it again because I looked at the chart again today, and it's possible that we're close to a potential breakout. Now, don't get all excited. There's no sign of such a breakout. But obviously the important aspect or the important advantage of Elliott Wave is that it can tell us the setups and structures and potential turning points, before the market actually acts. So we don't want to get active when the market has already moved. We want to get active beforehand. So here we go, we are getting close to a potential turning point, but I also have to tell you that there are many other setups which are better. I don't even call this a setup. It's just a potential that from here, the price rallies now shortly in the Y wave to the upside of wave C towards $1 plus. And I will explain why. First of all, I'm checking, I'm counting basically this wave structure, this sideways movement as a triangle. I'm confused myself now, 1 second. Need to adjust the, confused because of the wave degrees, so like that. So A, B, we could now be in a C wave of the triangle and then get a DE, so it can carry on sideways for many more years if it wants to. Triangles can always break early, then they're obviously like, I always say, triangles are rare in crypto, but they often look like triangles and then they turn into something different. So I'm tracking it because there's no better structure that would explain the mess that's happening on this chart. Really just corrective structures throughout. But the idea is that we're in a C wave of a triangle. A C wave in a triangle is a 3-wave move and can be a complex correction, a C wave. And we're dealing here with potentially a WXY structure. Now that's sort of what I'm tracking, WXY, where we have an ABC structure to the, or ABC to the upside, which forms a wave W in 3 waves. Then a triangle in wave X, potentially. It's speculative. I'm not confident about this wave count, I have to say, because XRP is just moving in corrective structure. So if something is unreliable, I'll tell you. But this triangle is valid, A, B, C, D, E. And as long as we now stay above a certain level that we'll talk about in a minute, we could see a Y wave to the upside. And based on Fibonacci extensions, and I can just take the length of the wave W, go to the low of the X wave, I could X to, even $1.93, but that's a bit far-fetched. It might still drop a little bit lower. And bear in mind, it could still turn into maybe something different. So it doesn't have to be a triangle. The X wave just has to be a corrective structure. So also the X wave could come down lower. And then we're just dealing with another, WXY structure. So again, with corrective structures, we don't really have the edge that gives us a strong directional, bias really. But I just say, okay, we have triangles can be, X waves can be triangles. So all I'm saying right now, I see here a potential for a triangle form that could be the X wave because the Y wave, the wave W topped here in July last year, and this could be the X wave. So just be ready, okay? I know a lot of people are observing XRP, but what I'm not doing, I'm not telling you, okay, it's gonna come into the support area and then moon. The potential is there. We need to see how the market will react to the support levels. And the next support is at 52 cents. That's the 50% FIB level. This support area did hold quite well. From here, any break below 37 cents would be possibly bearish. But as long as we're holding 37 cents, that upside potential remains valid. And the fastest route to get there would be with this triangle, because this could be nearly done. Yeah, ideally it goes a little lower maybe, and then it could rally from there. The more, let's say, extended route would be that we're dealing here with another more extended correction, and then we go from there. But I would pay attention to the support region, 37 cents to 52 with a 45-cent level in between. Looking at the the 4-hour chart, if this really is the E wave of the X wave triangle, then this should also be an ABC structure. And this move down could have been the A wave, then the B, and we now could be in the C wave of E of X. Need to change again here the wave degree. And the main reason why I show you this is because we can take the length of the A wave again, go to the high of the B wave to figure out, okay, what would be a common target here. So I've got two levels here. I've got 56 cents. I've got three levels. Short-term support. 56 cents, 53.5 and 50 cents as next levels to watch. We'll see if the market bounces somewhere from here, and then if we get a break above the D wave high at 74.5 cents, that would be, yeah, first solid confirmation that the triangle is breaking to the upside. Just want to show you that potential. It's not really more than hopium at this stage. We need a little bit more action, bit more confirmation and price action to confirm that. That's my update about XRP. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.